We're back. You guys knew I was about to review this product. If you don't know, now you know. We are reviewing the new Fenty Bright Fix Eye Brightener. Before we do that, do not forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so that you get notifications anytime I upload. I got two shades. This retails for $25. I got Pumpkin, which is shade number 13, and Toffee, which is shade number 14. I swatched Toffee and Caramel in store. Caramel just looked a little bit more reddy, like red. When I say reddy, red and like a lot more orangier than my skin tone. There are not that many shades of this, so if you're expecting the same shade range that you get in the regular Fenty concealer, that's not what you're getting here, girl. There are limited shades in this. It's kind of like a tinted moisturizer but concealer, so they have a few shades that are meant to fit a wide range of shades. Okay, if you are a cake face girl and you like that full beat under your eyes, this is probably not your deal. You might want to stick with the regular Fenty concealer. This is more for like a no makeup type of look, I feel like. First, I'm going to use the peach or the pumpkin one. I feel like this part can be used to like spread it out, so I'm just gonna, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, smart Rihanna. I'm just gonna use that to like kind of spread it out where I want it to go. I'm gonna put this anywhere where I experience like a little bit of darkness. So I usually experience that under my eyes and right here in the mustache area. If you get pumpkin, you are gonna need something else to go on top of it. You cannot wear this by itself, girl. So you do only need a little tiny bit. Okay, so one thing I will say is I liked how that blended out, and I'm gonna put a bit more of this on just because I want to really make sure that we don't have none of that orange staying around. But see, you need something that's gonna cover it. Okay, so one thing I will say is if you are close to my shade, I would definitely say get the, what shade is it? It's Toffee. I'm glad I went with Toffee over Caramel. I feel like just looking at myself right now, if I had went with the Caramel shade, I don't think I would be liking this. I feel like I still look kind of orangey though. So I do have another concealer here that I'm gonna put like in the inner corner of my eyes. But just like initial reaction off of this, I love the finish of this and how it blended out. My under eyes do look really nice right now, and I like that. When you are using the pumpkin or any of the shades, maybe start off with a little bit less. Next time I use this, I will definitely be using less. So the Fenty Eye Brightener, she is a go if you like super natural, no makeup. If you are more full coverage girl, these are nice, but they're not necessary. You would probably just use like maybe the brightener like to layer underneath your concealer, which is a go-to, like that's still good. But just keep in mind, you don't need a lot. Less is definitely more here. My makeup is a little bit different than I usually do it. I was going for more of like a beachy bronze, sun-kissed, no makeup blush. I even had some little fake freckles in here. So I like how the look turns out. I feel like I look really islandy, really just ready for a margarita. As for like the actual concealer shade, I got the shade Toffee. She is nice. I could see me using this for day to day, and it does leave like a really nice finish. The one thing I noticed though that I was so shook by is that I didn't crease at all. And I do have creases under my eyes. I crease with every single concealer, don't matter what it is. I'm a crease because I have creases under my eyes. This did not settle into the fine lines under my eyes. So if you have a lot of lines under your eyes and that's a concern, Rihanna got you, okay? So for me, she's pretty good. She is a good product for what she is designed to do. She is not designed to give you a full beat, snatched up face, you know? She is designed to really just like even everything out. Okay, so that's all for that day. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Please let me know if there are any other products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.